Hey guys, it's your girl Sandra D here and welcome back to my channel. Please excuse my voice. In this video, I am very sick and underneath the weather. It is that time of the year when the rain likes to come and pollen seems to get high and my allergies like to mess up. And at the same time, I'm getting a cold, so I don't even know if it's a mixture of allergies and a cold at the same time. But you know what? I'm here and I'm filming and I'm doing the damn thing. So, today, if you guys can tell by the title, I am bringing you guys my Boxycharm, which I'm super excited about because I did kind of see a few videos and see what stuff was out there. So excited to show you guys what's in this. Again, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you guys can be notified every single time I post a video so you guys can do beauty with me, your girl Sandra D. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so to start off, the first thing that I noticed in the box, and the one thing I know everyone was getting, is this by Glam Glow. It's the Hollywood California Glam Glow Gently Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. This is what it looks like. The packaging is just so freaking stunning, and this is a full-size product, and I just can't believe that this, my voice just cracked there, guys. This is exactly what it looks like right here. So beautiful. It is 5 fluid ounces and 150 milliliters. Again, this is a lot of product and I'm just too excited because I love facial cleansers and I go through them like crazy because I wash my face every single night before I go to bed. So that's just one of my biggest things, to make sure that I wash my face. And then just kind of show you what the little packaging thing comes in here looks like. It says make waves, so I think obviously it's themed around summer and spring. So just to start off with the Glam Glow, that is worth $28. Super excited. It does say that it has oat amino acids to condition while vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. It does say it is soap and fragrance and SLS-S LES free. I have no idea what that means, but it's for all skin types, so which is really cool. So that is the very first product in here. Now, obviously, I'm going to try on a few of this stuff for you guys, which sometimes I normally don't do, and normally I actually do a battle of the boxes, but today I just wanted to do just Boxycharm, just dedicated to it because this box actually I like more than the other one, so it already won. So Boxycharm it is, but in general, I'm super excited for this. So then the next product that we have in here, this is by Ciate. This is their Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadows, and this is what I got in mine. And then so for this is in Cupid. Now we did get something like this last month, but it was by Appeal Cosmetics. And again, it is just a shimmery eyeshadow. So for you guys, I'll swatch it right here for you. It is just extremely beautiful. So I did try it on my eyes the other day, and I will tell you, it does dry very nicely, but you have to definitely, it's more or less of something you want to use for like a cut crease, or because once it's on there, you can't blend it, you can't do anything else with it because it'll flake and it'll just go away. So this is just definitely something you want to put on last, and make sure you do all your blending with all the rest of your eyeshadows first before you do this. But it is very beautiful. Again, you guys can see right there, super shiny. It does have a pink and a gold hue to it. So I do like this, but I want to try and experiment with it a little bit more. But again, definitely a good product. And for the price of this by Ciate, this is $22. So, which is really cool. And then moving on, so we do have a few more products in here. So the next one is going to be this eyeliner, which is by Bodyography, and this is in Midnight Blue. And this is what it looks like right here for you guys. So as you can tell, it is a very nice, beautiful blue color. I did try to put it in my under eye earlier today, but for some reason it just didn't stick. But we can gladly go ahead and do that again and see if it's going to work. But it just did not work for me very well earlier today. Like, can you guys even tell that it's there? Slightly I can tell, but it's not very like subtle, or it's, I mean, it's very subtle, that's what I'm going to say. It's very subtle, it's not very like bam in your face like some other blue eyeliners can be, but for sure it's not that like vibrant, I guess. So that is what it looks like on both of my eyes. And again, it is very subtle, it's not very vibrant, but I bet if I wanted to put this on first and then put like maybe like an eyeshadow on top of it and set it, it might be a little bit more vibrant if I put like an eyeshadow color that would deepen it up just a little bit more. But again, very beautiful. I might use it a little bit more often, or it just might just go to a family friend. Who knows? But in general, God, my voice is going out so quickly. That is by Bodyography. That's their eyeliner pencil, and that is $14. And then the last but not least are two products that are in here. Last but not least, can't talk today. Last but not least are the two products I was the most excited to get in this box, and that is the lip color by Dose of Colors, which is right here for you guys, which is so cool because I've never owned anything by Dose of Colors, and the blush palette by Alamar, which I hear Kathleen Lights talk about all the time because she's really close friends with the girl that is the creator of Alamar Cosmetics. So super excited for these two items. I'm going to go ahead and put the box on the floor really quickly. And so just to let you know, the Dose of Colors is the liquid matte lipstick, and this is $18 right here for you. And this is in the color of Los Angeles. So it's supposed to be like Los Angeles, but like Los and jealous. It's like someone's being jealous of someone. Kind of funny, but in general, this is worth $18. Super excited because I've seen what the color looks like, and it's so freaking pretty. So I'm definitely going to get a lot of wear out of this, and this is what the packaging looks like. So freaking pretty. So let's go ahead and put this on. I do have chapstick that I had on, but I'm just going to wipe that off really quickly, and let's go ahead and apply this. And that is what that looks like on my lips. It's so pretty. I cannot stop looking at it. This is actually a color I don't have in my collection, anything like this. It's like a pinkish red color, and I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of this just because I love it. And it's a matte liquid lipstick, and it's by Dose of Colors. It's my first one, so definitely am excited for that. The last thing that I'm going to put on my face is the Alamar blush palette, which is right here for you guys. And the price on this is $22 if I didn't mention that already. And you do get 3 colors in it right here for you guys, which I'll take that off. And that is what they look like right there. Now, what you can't really tell on camera, which I'm noticing, let me put this down really quickly, mirror down. But this color and this color look kind of similar in the pan. One's just a little bit more on the orange side, like, and then this one's kind of a little bit darker. But, I mean, you can kind of tell that, but kind of not. So, yeah, this one's definitely a little bit more of a bright, oh my god, this one's a little bit more of a vibrant, bright orange. And then this one is a little bit darker. And then you have this pink shade in the center. I will tell you, this one kind of reminds me of Luminoso by Milani. And then for the other two, or even just combination, I mean, you could probably combine these and even make your own kind of blush. But let's go ahead and apply this. I did have it on my face earlier today, but it kind of came off. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a mixture of probably this one and this one to see how they come out and look together. So I'm going to start off with Castaway. And that's how that looks. And I'm going to add a little bit of the middle pink shade in there, which is Parioso. And put that kind of right here on the apples of my cheeks. A little bit on my nose. And that is how that looks. So yeah, that's a few of the products tried out, a few of stuff swatched there for you guys, so you guys can see how it works. Again, I will tell you, I love the Dose of Colors lipstick. I love the Alamar blush because I tried that out earlier today. The Ciate eyeshadow, I'm okay with. The Bodyography eyeliner, not really a big fan of. But the Glam Glow, I am super excited about. Now, I did not do the math of what all this adds up to, but I would gladly go ahead and put it somewhere on the screen for you guys right now. And I will definitely tell you, I do also have my Ipsy glam bag over there on my bed. And I will tell you, I was more excited for my Boxycharm than I was my Ipsy Plus glam bag. And definitely, I normally do the battle of the boxes, but to tell you right now, Boxycharm won. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope to see you guys the next time. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you got Boxycharm too, and tell me what you got. Maybe we got some of the same things, maybe we didn't. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.